Hello friends, I'm going to show you my farm tour. This is chili hanging and one more small chili, and here is flavors of chili, and there is one chili, and we are going to see bottle guard. One is bigger and it's climbing, and curry leaf and cluster beans. This is chili again hanging. This is brinjal. This is lady's finger and small ones. These are tomatoes hanging. Here some, and here some. And again lady's fingers plant. And this is brinjal. And one more type of brinjal, and coriander leaf, and gongura and goa, beans, pomegranate, and mango, and lady's finger again, and lemon, lady's finger again there is a bitter gourd and stages of bitter gourd there, and here is white beans mochai and snake gourd small, and again cluster beans again. Thank you, bye friends.